Hey everyone, this is Tyler from JLMI. I don't want to waste your time, so let's just get started with beginner level part 3. So here we go. So, tate de sunobo. So, snowboard with the shield. So, shield, tate, great noun. All of you gamers need to know this. So, tate de fusegu. So, fusegu means to block. So, itai. So, Link fell and got hurt. So, when you get hurt, you say itai. Or like me, right now, my nodo, my throat, nodo ga itai. So, but I want to back up a bit. Let's go back to snowboard. So, snowboard is the word for snowboard, right? But check this out. So, snowboard becomes snowball. They mean the same thing, but it's shorter, right? The Japanese like to shorten long words. So, basketball for basketball becomes basuke. Or Final Fantasy, Final Fantasy becomes fai fan. Or McDonald's, McDonalds becomes makku or makku. And Super Smash Brothers, Super Smash Brothers becomes sumabura. There's hundreds of them in Japanese. It's really fun. You should check them out. And check below. We provided for you some examples. So, 寝てるんだね. Sleeping. かわいそうだけど. Atatta. So, ataru. This is a great verb to strike or hit on against. So, teki ni ataru. So, また当たったんだね. So I got this guy again. So, when something strikes something, like the arrow struck the enemy. So you'd say like ataru, right? で、このゲームでね、頭に当たるようにね。So when you hit them in the head, you must hit them in the head in the game because it inflicts heavy damage. So 大ダメージを受ける. So enemies receive heavy damage when you hit them in the head. So 大ダメージ is a great video game word in Japanese. So 大ダメージを受ける. Ukeru is to receive, right? So I want to point out also that ataru means a variety of things. There's a few on the screen. So ataru is like a place where like the sun shines, or like to win the lottery. So takarakuji means the lottery. So takarakuji ni ataru means to win the lottery. So this time it's just a short video, mainly covering the short versions of long words and a few meanings of ataru. Check down below for some more examples as well. And be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more cool Zelda videos and more on anything and everything. Japanese pop culture. 皆さんお疲れ様でした。